Hey everybody, got a new track today. It's the blues again, and we're in the key of D flat. So it's a pretty interesting key. I've slowed the tempo down now. We're down to 110 beats per minute. I just figured we needed to go a little bit slower in a key that, maybe you're not as comfortable playing in. So I'm going to go over a couple of things here. I've simplified the chord progression just a little bit. We're starting with D flat here, and I'm going to be using the blues scale up here, like that. And you might wonder how I get chordy to just play, what my left hand is doing. It's because I do the video and then I send the video to my recording studio and then I play along with it on chordy and I just do the left hand because I want chordy not to be flickering all this stuff that you can't really see. I just want it to show, the important information. So we're using these 3-note voicings. If you're not familiar with this, I'll link to my video in C, which is going to be almost identical. All right, so we started off in C, but now we're in the key of D flat, so we're just moving it up. All right, and we're going to keep this note the same and move these two down for our G flat dominant 7th. All right, and then we're back here. Now, you could do a little change here. This is something different. You could go like A flat minor to D flat 7th and then on to G flat. Or we could do it the way we did it back in the key of C, where we just go like this and we raise that note to make a sharp 9 chord and then take the whole thing down chromatically and hit the G flat. Okay? I'm also going to talk a little bit about the scales here that you can use. And then instead of the move, we had this move before where we went like this. And I think about halfway through the track, it starts kind of doing that again. But a kind of a simpler way to do it is think of that second move that we did at the turnaround, where we just jumped up a minor 3rd and did the exact same chord. All right, this is the exact same chord. See, 1, 2, just moved up 3 half steps. All right, so it'll be D flat to B flat 7th, and then we have our 2-5-1 like we always do. So there's E flat minor, E flat minor 9th. We change one note here to A flat 7th, and then we're going to do our turnaround pretty much the same way we've always done it, which is to take our D flat chord, move it up a minor 3rd, and then come down chromatically. One other little variation, and you can do this on any of the other tracks I've put up so far. You can come up like this, and do this move where you, this is the 2nd position or the B position. If you don't understand that, don't worry about it. We keep this note the same and move to here. All right. Now, if you have a 4th here, that means you're in the 1 position or the A position, and then to go to the next part, you keep moving the tritone down and bring the thumb down a whole step. So our turnaround could be like this. All right. Jump up a minor 3rd, do the move, back to D flat. All kinds of ways to do it. But what you want to do is do it the same way every time and practice that until it becomes a part of your muscle memory, and then you can start effing around with it. All right, let's talk a little bit about the scale. In C, it's a scale with just white and black. White, black, white, black, white, black, white. And you can do it with 2 fingers if you want. I don't. I go 4, 3, 2, 1 usually. So you get that. But in D flat, you also have black, white, black, white, black, white, black. All right, so it's it alternates like that. And again, 2 fingers. However, I don't know what I do. I just do it. All right, now, do you know the F blues scale? Because, is that the right one? No, I don't think so. Let's see, what would it be? It'd be the B flat blues scale. All right, but thinking in terms of D flat, or just combining the two scales. All right. So use your imagination and steal good blues licks from anybody and everybody. All right, let's play a little of the track. The cleaning crew's here, so I'm only going to have about 3 minutes to do this, but here we go. Track is free. It's down in the description. I know. I was using the B-flat blues scale there. I'm going to do it again. Now I'll use the other scale. That was just a D-flat major scale there. Sorry. Let's try the move. Alternate turnaround there. All right. I'll also do a PDF that you can download for free, of course. And thank you all so much. I've been getting such tremendous support over on Patreon. I really appreciate it. And also through PayPal, comes in every once in a while. I really appreciate that too. Just this close to 100,000. I think I'm at 98,000 or something subscribers. So it'll be exciting for me to get there. Help me get there if you haven't subscribed. And the easiest way, of course, to support the channel is, just hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment. Even if you don't have anything to say, just say, hey, Tony, or anything you want to leave down there. I always get great comments, and I try to respond to a lot of them, but I've been a little slammed lately. But anyway, got a holiday weekend coming up. I'll get back to all of you, I'm sure. All right, thanks, everyone. Take care.